And recording. And for the sake of letting the internet know, this is going to be murder today. So I'm just barely finishing getting over a really bad flu. A man flu.
The manliest of flus.
The manliest of flus. Which consequently may mean that I either accidentally cough into my microphone or you hear a sound where I shove it to the side so that I don't cough into it.
Does that mean you might have to duck it into the bathroom?
No, I've got these nice little hand towels that I've been coughing and spitting into.
Oh. You said hand towels. I was thinking you were going to be, cleaning up a sort of mess.
No, if we tried to do this a week ago, that might have been at the concern. Oh, hey, I must have enough water. Oh wait, no, I'm in your hands.
Yep.
Let's see. Oh, I have 18 days of water.
Hey! I'm so proud of you. I haven't needed to collect water ever since I got these guys. I have enough water to last a freaking year and a half. I haven't even refilled this tap, personally. In fact, sometimes I get so much water that I end up getting like 14 days every 3 or 4 days.
Okay, just a second. I'm looking for premium mags for sale.
Yep.
And there are none. Unless there's some with murky. I should already show is ready, by the way.
Let's see here.
No, that's murder.
Need extra change? There's a painless in the donation box.
Oh, what in the donation?
It's a heavy machine gun called the Painless. It sells for a very good penny. It's also easy to get.
Where do you usually get it?
It's from a quest where you basically hunt down Europans. It's one from the Eurasians. It's in itself is a really good gun, but it's pretty loud, and it eats up 50 cal bullets like it's going out of style. All right, you got a preference on a questing area?
I don't.
Oh. That's an interesting effect.
What?
When I turn on my flashlight, everything glows for like a few seconds. It's like there's phosphorus or something in the air. Or wait, what is that mineral that like absorbs light? It's phosphorus, isn't it?
That absorbs light?
Yeah. Like if you shine a light on it for a brief second and put it in the dark, it like, well, I guess like glow in the dark material of some sort. I'm not sure. I feel like it was phosphorus, but maybe I'm thinking of something else.
Phosphorus usually reacts to some sort of crap. My brain is turned off.
Well, I know this phosphorus is used in like chemical warfare, like very nasty kind.
Well, no. What I mean is phosphorus is usually reacts to some sort of radiation.
Ah.
So things like glow sticks, not glow sticks. Well, yeah, kind of.
That is a really weird effect. Uh-oh.
Much better.
It's gonna be a sad day when they fix this glitch.
Which glitch?
Look over the edge. Whee!
Oh, huh.
Wee-oo, wee-oo, wee-oo. All right. Also, Spongement. That's the name of the quest. It's a pretty easy one to get, and it gives you that painless skin, which sells for a pretty penny. In fact, I think I'm gonna swap out my quest for that one. Alright. You ready?
I think I've been ready.
Oh, okay. Here we go.
Our team's ignition scraps. Let's not waste space.
I hate the surface.
Alright. I don't know what you got for quest, but for me, today I collect a waifu. I did it earlier, but she disappeared. So now I'm single again. We might not get a chance this time, but... Oh. Alright, those are your open tanks. Cool, cool.
Bunch of drones in the air.
Yep.
You never know what you can find until patience is a virtue.
Oh, boy.
Hey, watch my back.
Oh, chopper's down. So did it drop anything? Oh, come on, it despawned.
You got stuff coming up by your by the east direction.
Underdog.
Eastern. Ah, okay. Sorry, I'm so used to playing this map by myself. Give me a minute.
And we've got
There we
stuff
go.
right off to our right.
Looks like they're occupied with something else. Oh, hey, there's a large lockbox over here if you want it.
Perfection.
Are you wanting to shoot that?
No, I'm just tagging it so it doesn't sneak up on us. I wonder what that spotter thing is gonna do. Speaking of which, that helicopter did drop something. Something called a Heinz nav computer. Did you like it?
I have no interest in it.
Alright. Suit yourself. Alright. I'm gonna get an overview of the side battle over here.
Let's take a moment to appreciate the good things.
There's a lot of RDBKs. RDKs? Oh, someone ran across my mind. Oh, I think I found something. I'm gonna try to go out and get it. Up here is fairly safe as long as you don't drag yourself to attention. I'll be right back.
Shoot.
Ha! Another downed helicopter. Oh, I got drones on my back. And hunter killers are on their way. Okay. You okay?
Yeah, where are you at?
Right above you.
You got something right beneath you. Or
I know,
behind
I
you.
see
You
him.
got a guy coming up up on the same, whatchamacallit that you're in.
That's it.
Got it.
No, there's another dude. He's, in fact, I might end up hitting him first.
Oh, that guy
See-
below?
Yeah, never mind, he's coming at you.
Oh, it's a
He's
sniper.
Sniper, yeah.
I want his gun. Give me a second. Oh. Okay. That was close. Oh, he just has a scar. Never mind. Judging how many snipers have scars, I'm starting to think that... Oh! Oh! I just killed a hunter. There's gonna be more coming this way.
You've also got 2 drones over the top of you.
Alright, I'm turning around. I'm coming back for you.
Well, I'm okay. I could probably make a run for the exit.
Oh, did you see? Look at that!
What?
The drone just flew overhead.
Looks like a guy.
Got it? Okay, I'm gonna go over to that little island there. Lots of large items here if you want it. My next space is probably to that building there, and then up to that mesa over there. The man-made one.
Just a second. It says my. Say that. Slow down again. What are you trying to get?
Okay, hold on. 1 second. Since
Only have to be faster than the slowest human.
I'm gonna go.
Oh, we got a
to that-
dog. Our grabber. Directly below
Oh, what?
us.
Holy balls!
And he's aggroed on something. It's not us.
He's aggroed on us.
No, he's not.
Okay, we need to get past him.
Oh, wait. Maybe he is aggroed on us.
We don't
He's
have enough.
jump over the edge. Go!
Oh, hey, it's got a place.
I'm going for the exit. I'm sorry.
That's all right. You do not have time for that.
He's still.
Survive.
Screw it. There's 2 gotcha boxes. I'm going for it. Your death will not be in vain, brother. Only we had time. I had no idea that those things would be showing up.
Out and about.
All right,
Now. Oh, again.
I owe you some guns.
That's all right.
Oh dang! Didn't even get any experience from that.
That's because I never fired a shot.
All right. I'm gonna give you a couple more painlesses. We're gonna try to get your stuff, but yeah, grab her in the middle of the day. That was a bit unexpected.
Yeah, I wouldn't have noticed it if I didn't have that camera on me.
All right.
I gotta figure out how to delete all the old
Alright, I got a couple of scars. And M60 I'm gonna give you. Keep them, sell them, whatever floats your goat. Alright.
Or are you waiting on me?
Alright, say again.
Are you waiting on me?
Actually, I'm just getting a loadout. 1 minute. Alright. I'm ready. Let's go get your crap. Alright.
Well, time to dive another dumpster.
I hate the
Alright.
surface.
I hide behind that rock.
Oh, I got something coming up. Oh, is that shadow? Nope, those are zombies.
Alright, careful, there's a mine right there. Would you like to catch a box? Oh, hold on. Let those devils go on their way.
Now you're scared as hell again.
Never mind.
We're here.
I guess calculation.
Oh,
You okay? Okay, he's down. You okay?
yeah. All right. Oh, right next to us. And,
Are you down?
Yeah, but you've got.
Hold on.
Don't. You better kill those guys. Right around the corner.
Hold on, I'm coming.
No, you better just run. There's two dudes, the big brawlers guys.
Ah! I picked the wrong gun for this. Oh well. You want to do a different map, or are you feeling, or a different game?
It doesn't matter to me.
Let's see. I'm trying to think. What quest do you have?
Destroy your Asian forces. Collect the
Right.
teddy bear and retrieve 2 explosives.
I think I got the perfect map for that. Maybe not so much a teddy bear, but all right. Make sure you bring a shotty.
There's
Bring a scanner and an IED. Plenty of med kits. And just need some bullets. Alright. Oh, Regents forgot to change the entrance. There we go, perfect. Alright.
Okay.
Slow down. Are you ready to go? Let's go.
If we get on without you, I'll tell your friends.
Okay, let's see. I think there's also a couple of explosives around that corner there. If you want to go grab them, I'll watch it from above. Just right tucked in there.
Same as it ever was.
Perfection.
Alright, ready to get the drop on him? Okay. Coming in from behind you. I'll get their attention. Nice! Alright, check them for SIGs. Oh. Got guys behind us.
You got it?
Yeah, I got him.
Alright, one guy's got premium SIGs.
It's never enough. Nice little joy. Even at
Right.
slow like this.
You got one of the explosives?
Yep.
Or two? Okay. Let's move on. Let's see. Close that door after you get through. We got some more Europans in here. Smart about it, or we can go up and jump out gun ho. There's like two groups. There and over there.
Oh, gosh.
Got a little bit of the coughing, sir.
Can you hear it when I move the microphone out of the way?
No, I can hear it from upstairs. Your microphone's actually doing a good job keeping it closed. Alright, I'm gonna secure this door with a bomb. Okay, we got tangos off in that direction. Alright, when you fire, I'll join. Alright, I'm gonna dart in front of you. Give me a second.
Hey, watch my back.
There we go. Alright, they're coming back in the room. Off to the right. There they are. Two of them.
It's just the two of them?
Yep, affirmative.
Alright, when they swing back.
It looks like there's
towards-
another guy in the room over there, but he's inconsequential for now.
When these guys swing back.
Nope,
around-
he's entering the room. Never mind.
Okay, if you want to.
Okay.
Yeah, I don't.
Sorry,
I. Oh, and your grenade
Right.
just killed
Check those
something.
guys for stiggies. I got those guys. Alright, I'm gonna harvest these guys for stiggies. Are you kidding me? Why am I out of room?
I gotta resist
There's always
the
room
urge
for
to
stiggies.
constantly reload.
That's not a bad deal, man.
Well, no, midway through that fight,
Oh, yeah.
midway through that fight, I stopped to reload, but I didn't need to.
Well, I'm pretty stocked up. Let's see, you want to kill some more Europans? You should be able to find some more into that room over there.
inventory is full. So now,
All right. Do we want to deck it then?
and it's Eurasians that I gotta kill.
Oh, okay. I thought it was Oh, hostile. Okay, why am I thinking of the other one? We're looking clear. We just got a couple of drones from up above.
Yeah, it's
Yep. Just run across will be fine. Go ahead. I'll meet you at the exit. Oh, wait, did you get the explosive you need?
I did.
Good, good. Alright,
I
we'll
actually
go
got some
kick some
kills.
your Asian butt, and then we'll do either a different game or a rest. Dash. Okay, all good. Gems. Yep.
Oh, wait a second.
Go ahead and scrap your Nexus.
I am trying to mention the human is the hand.
Let me drop this bomb off real quick. Alright. Do your stuff. Hit it. Alright, they're all yours. Here they come.
There's somebody way out there.
Nah. We're just testing the subsonic gun. Oh, there's a lot of them.
Yep, I see him.
Beautiful. Maybe I should have left the firepower behind.
Just gotta kill one more.
Yeah, I think that's it. Maybe there's some more around the corner. Let me set up that bomb just in case. Oh, we got a few Urescan boys down here. Curious Urescan boys. This gun sucks. Careful, they're just around the corner. Nice. So this gun has 5 shots. It doesn't have a magazine you can improve on. It's got like, you can slap like 2 different attachments on it, and its only saving grace is that the bullets are silent.
shoot. No, run, run, run. Don't stop.
Okay. Heal up. Oh, wait, hold on. Hey. Oh, those are your opens. Never mind. Oh, did you head back?
I'm just standing back here because I was waiting for them to aggro map toward me. That and I'm healing up with alcohol.
Where is that thing? Oh. Hey, there's another... Wait, does it say Euruscan drone? Got some guys coming up this way. Oh, nope, never mind. It looks like they went around the corner. Oh, do you hear that? There's a drone flying around here somewhere.
Yep,
Up
it's
there.
right above me. 2 of them.
Need help?
I don't know yet. I don't know if they care about me yet. 3 of them. Can you see them?
Yeah, I see him. Staring right at him. And... okay, they bypassed that, so... Wait, Euruscan? I thought those were European. Eurasian. Oop. Eh, okay, I'll take it.
Evidence can check this. Most comments authorized.
I saw an opportunity with some points.
Yep, did you get it?
Oh, there's another one up there.
Here it is. You got it? Alright, anytime you want to turn back, let me know.
I'm good with whenever.
Okay, let me just try to harvest a few of these bodies. Gunhead is kind of nifty in the sense that I could, his head will basically rotate to where an enemy is at. It's kind of like an early warning system. Alright, time to go. Up, drone above you. Punch him. That, my friend, is the power of the painless.
Oh,
Keep going. Right. Head for the exit.
just need there to be one more Zombert. Oh well, I'll get him next time.
We could always do this run one more time.
Nah, it's alright. Yeah, I actually got a reasonable number of kills this time around.
Yeah. Yeah, you got more kills than I got with the Pandas. Wait, how did I get that many? How did I get that much damage with that gun? That's a really pathetic gun. The only reason I grabbed it was because it's quiet. Oh. STA wants to know if we want to do a game in 30. So if you want to take this moment to recuperate.
Yeah, we can do that.
Right. Yeah, sell your stuff, get everything straightened out, and I'll be seeing you soon.